Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable feed and getting permission ready. Authenticate or create a free account if required. This avoids rate limits or hidden overlays. Once done, choose the feed type: geostationary for large scale, polar orbiting for high detail, and set your map projection to match it. Make sure your connection is stable. Buffering ruins live updates. Now open the imagery viewer and load the default layer so you have a clear baseline to build from. You'll now fine-tune what you see and why it matters. Load multiple layers side by side. Visible shows clouds by day, infrared reveals temperature and height, and water vapor highlights moisture. Then set the timestamp range and playback rate to reveal movement, faster for trends, slower for details. Adjust resolution to balance clarity with load time. Use color palettes to emphasize temperature contrasts, and add overlays so you can finish by capturing and automating what you need. Export images or a time lapse with embedded timestamps so your analysis is reproducible. Then configure live alerts for new frames or thresholds like rapid cloud growth. For continuous monitoring, use a polling interval or a WebSocket stream to minimize latency. If things go wrong, images freeze or skip, first clear the browser cache, then lower resolution, and finally switch to an alternate server or feed. That sequence resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.